U.S. Steel has encountered substantial financial difficulties over the past decade, prompting the company to actively seek a buyer. Notably, Nippon Steel's interest is significantly influenced by the challenges presented by U.S. tariffs on steel imports. This unprecedented move against a Japanese investment illuminates the shifting dynamics in U.S.-Japan relations. The actions taken by the Biden administration come at a politically sensitive time, just months ahead of a contested election in Pennsylvania. Amidst this backdrop, the United Steelworkers Union has exerted considerable pressure on the Biden administration to block the proposed deal. Their primary concerns revolve around the potential for layoffs and the adverse impact on workers' rights. Furthermore, Vice President Harris's support for the Biden tax agenda raises questions about significant tax hikes on wealthy investors, potentially alienating crucial voter segments. This issue has been a notable point of contention throughout her campaign. In response, the campaign appears to be adjusting its messaging to adopt a more business-friendly tone, reflecting a desire to reassure investors while still addressing various economic policies. This balancing act is critical for shaping voter perception. However, Harris's dramatic policy reversals since 2020 could lead to confusion among voters trying to decipher her true positions. The inconsistencies within her platform pose a significant risk to the credibility of her campaign. Additionally, the proposal seeks to engage corporate executives to identify wasteful spending within federal agencies, echoing strategies reminiscent of Reagan's approach during the 1980s. Such tactics have historically stirred political controversy. The discussion surrounding Trump's previous impact on federal debt underscores concerns regarding the funding of his proposed tax cuts. This scrutiny raises critical questions about the sustainability of his broader economic policies. Moreover, Elon Musk's involvement in federal audits invites scrutiny regarding his impartiality, particularly given his substantial financial ties to government contracts. Critics contend that this relationship may compromise the integrity of the audit process. Historically, candidates have furnished extensive policy details, allowing for informed public discourse on budgets and significant issues. In contrast, the current landscape is marked by vague statements, leaving reporters and the public perplexed about actual implications. The prevailing lack of clarity in proposals, as seen with both Harris and Trump, intensifies concerns regarding potential economic impacts and the feasibility of suggested policies. This uncertainty complicates efforts to assess their effectiveness. In the current climate, campaigns appear to prioritize the avoidance of liabilities by refraining from detailing their plans, a strategy that could backfire when opponents highlight inconsistencies. This trend reflects an increasingly risk-averse approach within political communication. As such, the evolving landscape of political strategy raises significant questions about transparency and accountability, ultimately impacting voter trust and engagement during this critical electoral season. In summary, the intersection of economic policy, political maneuvering, and voter sentiment plays a pivotal role in shaping the current election dynamics, underscoring the importance of clarity and consistency in political messaging.